Hello, my name is Nabiel with name 33240064, and I want to explain about my PowerPoint sociolinguistics exploring speech style shift in YouTube source. A sociolinguistic approach. I learned everything as a teacher by Jake M.A. Background of the study. Linguistic, the scientific study of language. The word was first used in the middle of the 19th century to emphasize the difference between a newer approach to the study of language that was then developing and the more traditional approach of philology. The differences were and are largely matters of attitude, emphasis, and purpose. Research question. First, how does Jack M.A. change his speaking style across YouTube sources? And what sociolinguistic factors influence this style change? And second, what is the communicative purpose of this change in speaking style in building Jack M.A.'s identity and conveying his message to a global audience? Description of the research object. The object of research in this research is a YouTube source until I learned everything as a teacher, which features Jake M.A., a famous entrepreneur and public speaker. The source video serves as the primary source of linguistic data, specifically focusing on Jake M.A.'s spoken language throughout the clip. Research objective and research benefit. Objective. First, to identify and describe the types of speaking style shifts that Jake M.A. used in the YouTube source I learned everything as a teacher. The second, to analyze sociolinguistics factors that influence change in speaking style, such as audience, context, and purpose. Benefits. It is hoped that the finding of this research will provide benefits both theoretically and practically. Theoretically, this research contributes to the field of sociolinguistics by offering insights into how speech style shifts function in short-form digital media, particularly in the YouTube source. Theoretical framework. This research is based on sociolinguistics theory which explains how language varies according to social factors and communicative context. The main basis of research in the speech styles theory proposed by Martin Jost 109-67, which categorizes speaking styles into several styles frozen, formal, consultative, relaxed, and intimate depending on the relationship between the speakers and situation in which the communication occurs. This framework helps identify the specific styles Jake M.A. used in the short YouTube video. I learned everything as a teacher. Speech style categories. According to Josh, there are five main speech styles. The first is project, and the second, formal, and the third, consultative, and the fourth, casual, and the last, intimate. These categories helps classify how language changes depending on context. And this example of speech style. There are some sentences that use different speech style in this video. And the first formal. From the result of the test, I was not considered to be a good teacher. Conservative, most of the courses that I'm good at is because the teacher is good. Casual, and I was trained as an English teacher. Intimate, my chemistry teacher does doesn't not like me. Analysis. The analysis of Jake M.A.'s YouTube source. I learned everything as a teacher shows that his speech contains several noticeable shifts in the style that reflect the social and communicative demands of the platform. At the beginning of the video, JFA used a more formal and consultative style, marked by clear articulation and structured statements as he introduced his experience as a teacher. Conclusion: the finding of the study indicated that Jack Ma implemented a noticeable change in speaking style throughout the YouTube source. I learned everything as a teacher. These shifts occurred when he adapted his language to suit the platform, audience, and message he wanted to convey. Analysis reveals that sociolinguistic factors such as content, purpose, and awarenesses of the audience greatly influences his or her stylistic choices. Through this variation, Jack M.I. was able to build an identity that was relevant and credible and acceptable to global audiences. Yeah, that's all from me. And sorry for the mistakes. Thank you very much.